So this will give you an idea of where we went riding along the Paiute ATV trail. We started kind of near Fremont State Park. If you go on I-70, you're able to get off on exit 17. It's next to the Fremont State Park, as you can see right here. Go to the west and go south along the dirt road right there that follows the freeway. As you get to that marker 113, there's a parking lot there. It was full the day we went, so we went on up to the corrals and parked next to them to unload. So that's where my GPS started. From there, we just went on up the road. It's the main road, nice dirt and gravel road, and you can climb out all the way up to Winkler Point, where from there you'll be able to see everything north. A really cool view. There was snow and windy that day that we were there. We went from there on over past the Silver King mine and over to the Marysvale road that comes up from the bottom. A lot of people use that road. From there we turned right and went on up the mountain. You'll pass all the mountain peaks. It's a beautiful, beautiful ride, as you'll see from our video. And you top out, we topped out, my GPS said 11,465 feet, the highest point on the ATV trail. I don't know what the official height is. We went down the south side of that slope. You can actually see Eagle Point Ski Resort, but the wind that day that we were there was blowing from that side of the mountain, and it was cold. I wouldn't suggest going up in October, but man, it was beautiful. So we turned around, went back, and we made a stop at the Silver King mine. It turned out that it was closed for the season, but when you have time, go explore this. It's a really cool old gold mine and a silver mine that was there on the mountain, and people lived. And so from there we went on back to our truck. I think overall it was about 30 or 40 miles, I'm not sure.
Okay, we're off.
Yay! Do you need to say where we are?
We're gonna head up Fish Creek, up on the Kimberleys, and then up over the top, towards the south, up on top of the Kimberleys. So here we go.
You've never been there.
As you can see, it's just a good graded road. In fact, we passed quite a few vehicles. This particular weekend was the deer hunt, and so there was quite a bit of traffic along the road. But as you can see from right here, it really is a good road to travel on.
there you can see Richfield way out in the distance. Over there is towards Fillmore and Delta. You can see I-70 down in the bottom. Right here is Winkler Point. It's black. Pretty cold. But we're surviving. We're up in the snow finally.
It got windy.
Got a little windy and a little cold. We'll head on up the road.
Going up Big John Flat. Oh wait, are we going to Big John Flat?
I don't know, we'll see. How far up?
It's getting really cold.
How far up is it?
14, nope, 12 miles.
Down there is Marysvale, and there you can see the Kimberly Mountains. I can't remember what this one is.
We made it! It's flipping cold.
Very cold. We are at 11,151 feet.
Yay, we broke 11,000. I knew we would.
Now we're at 11,236 feet. We are up on top above Marysville. It's a little cold, isn't it?
It's frigid.
Very frigid. sunny side, top. Right over there is Belknap. Big one. Pretty up here. Pretty cold though.
That's Marysville.
Where are you at?
We're at the Silver King mine.
Up on the Kimberly.
Yep.
Rigging Patsy Dagger.
Darker.
Darger.
Or it could be Darger, imagine. Everything's locked up. You can't even open the door. I'm seeing it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Probably closed up for the winter. You can see we signed it. Should we go?
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty canyon right there. Get it back down to the truck.
That was slick.
All done.